Get your shift key back in working order with this guide. Now if your shift key suddenly stops working, it could be a sign of physical damage. So to check for physical damage, turn off your computer and carefully inspect the key for any dirt or debris. Then if you've confirmed that there are no physical connection issues, restart your computer. Now this gives the machine a fresh start and could potentially resolve minor software glitches that might cause the shift key to not work. But if that did not work, check your keyboard settings by going to Settings, check Accessibility, go to Interaction section, go to Keyboard section, and locate Filter Keys option, and then toggle it off. Once done, close the settings window and see if the shift key is now working. And lastly, update or reinstall keyboard drivers by opening Device Manager, go to your keyboard section, right-click on your keyboard driver, select Update Driver, and on the next page, select the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the on-screen process to update your driver. On the contrary, you can also uninstall, then reinstall your driver by restarting your computer. And those are the ways on how you can fix your shift key if it is not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.